Okay, so here we are for round 2 with the wiring. Jet decided to sleep in today.
You did too. I got all at the same time you did.
So anyway, then we had to go hunt for memory cards, and we went ahead and got lunch. So we're starting, it's about noon.
It's a rainy day, so it's awfully dark outside, and yeah, makes you want to sleep.
So, here we are, back again. Wiring's the same as we left it. No gnomes came in and finished it for us.
But we should be able to get wiring mostly done today. Hopefully. Maybe not. Yes. No. I don't know.
So here we go. Let's let the wiring fun begin. Okay, so we got a little bit of a wiring update here since this morning. Well, it wasn't this morning, since lunchtime. I don't know what time it is now. But anyway, as you can see, everything is starting to come together over here, which is what I said. Wiring always looks like a mess, and then right before it's done, it all starts looking nice.
My side's coming together too.
Jet's worked on this side. He's angry because I didn't show all of y'all his side. He's been under the truck banging in an O2 sensor.
I haven't done anything. It's just you over there doing the wiring.
I think he just used a hammer to put an O2 sensor in. So anyway, it's coming together. And we even heard the starter crank the motor over. So that was exciting.
So technically it started.
It did not start. Okay, so here's our progress for the day. Got some pretty nice looking wiring going on. Here's a quick little update. It is just stopped raining and we are sweating like crazy now because of the humidity and everything and all the mugginess. But now I have... You're a whiner.
Are you not hot and sweaty as like
no,
I am?
I'm hot as can be.
Yeah.
We're spoiled.
We're used to our AC shop. So, as you can see, I got this nice wire ran along the upper side of the firewall. So, that's all nice and pretty looking now. Next, I'm going to start working on that wire mess right there. It needs to go this border sensor and the AC up here. But I'm going to do that. But I also need to tackle this problem with the O2 sensor. I'm worried they might not connect like they should. So we'll see what happens there. So.
So it's the end of the day. We're done. We're tired. We got a lot of wiring done. Take you through it real quick. Our battery cables, you know, still got a little bit to clean up here and there, but it's coming together. The big thing is we're going to see if we can get oil pressure. The engine said you needed to crank it to get oil pressure, so starter should be hooked up. Yeah, we're going to crank it. Come on, let's see if we can get oil pressure.
We have no power.
Oh yeah, I know why.
There's no power.
I know why. Stop. Power.
We got power.
Why do you sound surprised?
Hey, look, our fuel gauge might have fixed itself too.
That's not hooked up.
Oh, that's why.
Okay, let's watch the oil. Go ahead.
Yeah. All that cranking amperage. I am turning the thing and nothing is happening. So, I think you got something wrong there.
Oh, no, I know what's wrong.
What?
Yeah, so the starter wire is not hooked up yet.
Yeah, you didn't hook up the orange wire, did you?
Yeah. The orange wire is not connected to the purple wire.
Yeah. So all you have is a power wire.
It's not cranking today. So we're done. So see you next time on FALK'D Garage.